Have you ever been bombarded with questions you don't know how to answer? Ever spent loads of money on staff to deal with student questions, yet still found it's not enough? Student satisfaction plays a huge role in not just the university league tables, but where students choose to study. And with education-related suicides still taking place across the country, something needs to change. You need a system that allows students to reach out for help whenever, wherever, without taking up the time of your workers. And that's where our chatbot comes in. SHEP Chatbot combines machine learning and user input to create a comprehensive wealth of knowledge that students can explore from their phone. It's simple. Just ask a question and SHEP generates an answer based on previous responses and previously inputted information answered by the university. For example, if somebody wanted to know what time the library is open, or where to get mental health support, even where to buy fish and chips, they could simply open the chatbot service in their browser of choice and ask away. And if SHEP doesn't know the answer yet, it would only take one member of staff to add in the correct response each morning, and SHEP will learn from this for next time. This means students' questions are always listened to, and staff can focus on all the other important things they have to do. So how much does this service cost? Normally, a software company would charge a fortune for a system like this, but we are willing to give it to you absolutely free. Think of all the time you will save your staff and the increase in productivity you will experience as a result. It's the 21st century. There are better ways to deal with queries than passing students from email address to email address. Not to mention the potential to use this system for open days, outreach projects, and much more. International students would also be able to get a feel for the university before they apply, which could increase your overseas intake and earn you a considerable amount of money. That's a pretty appealing prospect given the current situation with coronavirus, I would say. So to sum up, SHEP is easy to use, reliable, free to you, and could earn you loads of money while also improving student satisfaction. It is also a secure system that doesn't spy on students' data in the way other systems might. What could be better? You deserve a more efficient system that doesn't waste your money or time. So adopt SHEP Chatbot into Sussex University and make things better for everyone.